Hey, chatters there, Wes. You wanna
Hey,
introduce yourself?
chatters. Hey, chatters. I'm the amorphous figure in the background known as the synth mind, one of the many.
And speaking of the synth mind, so we've been trying to get Wes to get into Obsidian, and just the way he is, it's hard. It's a little overwhelming, and so he asks, "What I really need is to just be able to like press a button on my phone, talk to my phone, and it just goes into my vault."
Yeah.
So that's what we're going to try to accomplish today. And I think I have the solution. You have the phone that has like the actual dedicated button,
Got the
right?
button. Got the right button.
So I don't have that button. So I did it so that I just like, I'll say, "Hey Siri, record thought,"
hmm
and it'll do it. But because you have the button, you'll be able
I'll
to
be able to
just hit
map
the
it.
button.
Yeah, as long as I
Yeah.
can do a shortcut, I can map it.
We're
Okay.
going to go through this step by step. The first thing you want to do is you go to the App Store
Okay.
and you look up an app called Fleeting Notes.
Fleeting notes. Downloading.
Yeah, it should be like 3 black bars that kind of look like an F on a white background.
Okay.
Okay, while that's downloading, okay, do you have Obsidian on your phone?
hmm
Okay, so now go to Obsidian on your phone
Okay.
and you want to go to community plugins. Now you have to go like sidebar, gear symbol, and then find them.
Sidebar. Gear symbol. Community plugins. Browse.
Yep, and find Fleeting Notes.
Installing. Enabled. Okay.
Okay, we're gonna have to come back here, but for now, I would recommend you create a folder that this is gonna go into, where it says sync settings notes folder location. You can just put in whatever you want that folder to be called.
Okay. All right. Let me put in that community plugins, fleeting note sync. I have to sync my plugins. Okay. Notes folder location. Sync notes automatically, I imagine. Okay. Now I guess I need to
Uh,
sign into fleeting notes, create that all.
got it, brother.
Yeah,
So,
man.
so yeah, you just gotta set up your account, and then you sign in on the Obsidian side, and then we'll be pretty much ready to set up.
I am registered. Let me sign in Obsidian. All right. I am linked.
You're linked. Okay, so now let's go find the shortcuts app and
Okay.
build out the shortcut.
Got it.
For some reason, I like struggled with the shortcuts app. It was like not as easy as I thought it would
No,
be
it's not.
to
It's a
navigate,
pain.
unfortunately. But either way, you should be able to. I don't know what your screen looks like, but there should be like a plus symbol or something where
Yep.
you can create a new shortcut. So yeah, you want to do that. And then you just want to look up in that search for apps and actions, just look up Fleeting Notes.
Add an action. Leaving notes. Record new note or create new note?
Record new note.
Record new note. Okay.
Just add that shortcut. And then I don't know how it is because I don't know what it is with the button, but you should be able to mess around with it and have it so it's set to that button.
Okay. So let me see if it's just as simple as that. Okay. Settings. Action button. Shortcut select. I'm going to do Obsidian. Okay. Let's
Well,
test.
not Obsidian.
I named it Obsidian.
Gotcha.
All right. Let's see if this works while I record a note. It's finished. It's in there.
It's in Fleeting Notes right now.
Yep.
Okay, so every 30 minutes or so, it sends whatever's in your Fleeting Notes to Obsidian.
Thanks, buddy.
Yeah, I hope this helps.
I'm excited to see this work.